We're going to do one last SAT problem today, and maybe I'll get some more later. So this is 1.9.14, which is practice test 1, section number 9, problem number 14. If the quantity a plus b to the 1/2 equals the quantity a minus b to the negative 1/2, which of the following must be true? So I listed the multiple choice answers because sometimes we can inform our decisions based on the multiple choice answers. This is listed as hard in the back of the book, so it's a little bit tricky, but let's walk through it. So I have this a plus b to the 1/2, and on the other side, I'm going to write this as a 1 over a minus b quantity to the 1/2 because I know the negative exponent means, hey, I'm on the wrong floor. Right. Another way to write this, if you prefer it, is to write this as the square root of a plus b equals a 1 over the square root of a minus b. You don't have to rewrite it that way, but I did because I want you to realize that the best option here is to square things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square the entire side. So you're allowed to square whole sides of equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that this is a plus b, right? And on the other side, I'm going to get that this is an a minus b underneath the 1. The reason I didn't put them in absolute values is because they originally started in square roots. They have to net a positive value because the way it works is you can't have real numbers, can't come from negatives inside inside square roots. So although you normally square and then make things positive, the input has to be positive already. So a plus b would have to be positive, so would a minus b. So I end up getting a plus b equals a 1 over a minus b, and then I'm going to multiply this a minus b over. So I'm going to end up with a plus b times a minus b equals 1. Now some of you might spot that pattern and realize that that's something we've dealt with before when we factor. That's called a difference of squares, right? So this is called a difference of squares. Right? This is just the factored version of a difference of squares. So if you FOIL it out, you're going to get an a squared minus an ab plus an ab. So those are gone. Minus a b squared equals a 1. And sure enough, that is answer E.